Hello everybody. Today I show you the demo in the financial in the NetSuite. So basically the roles comes under is the controller. By using this role we complete scenario of the financial demo. I'll show you. Just come to the login. Yes. So the login role is US controller by default. So there is a different roles for different authorizations, activities. So basically this is a US controller, and the KPI meter, this is here we can change, like these are the already created that profit, current profit. It shows the live data, and the dashboard is fully 100% configurable. You can change, edit, take. So this is the dashboard and the navigation portlet. From there we can go to the shortcut like profit and loss, balance sheet, trial balance. Many shortcuts are already created here, like budget, okay, purchase, item, vendor wise, open order. So these are some reports and some shortcut transactions to create of okay, and revenue, like revenue by customers. KPI indicator, the key performance indicator, shows the live sales of this month, last month. So it's all displaying with the configuring as a self and setting from the portlet. So navigation portlet is very good thing in the NetSuite, which from where we can go to directly the transactions or reports and create new master data, create new transactions, tools, many more. And this is a trend graph which shows the income by period. Here we can change yearly, quarterly, whatever we can set here. So account reconciliation summary is also here from dashboard, and this is a setting for from which we can do the configuration. So basically we start the demo with the financials, and here we see the reminders are showing here, which is belongs to controller, that 192 purchase order to bill to pay, invoice overdues. All reminders are showing here. Whatever we set, it shows here. It's so simple to select. So financial ratio is like this. So profit margin on sale, return on sale, day by outstanding. You can just click this arrow and it will show you the trend graph of particular item or particular area. Yes, this you can change like this bar, or you can change like this line, trend line. Okay, by so this is yearly, quarterly. You can set as per your requirement, and you can also export into Excel or PDF. Okay, so it says yearly, yeah. So this is a trend graph. For each step you can take and export. Okay, so come to the subsidiary area. This is the subsidiary navigator, from which we can selected US. So by selecting this we can go through the it changes like HO. Just click on HO and see the whole dashboard was changed as per HO, and all are selected. So just click on US state as it shows. So sales and revenue, we just go through the reports, check the reports, whatever in navigation portlet we already set, like profit and loss. Just click on this. So here we see that the income statement and like profit and loss. See the gross profit is showing here. You can also use the whole consolidated report by click refresh. subsidiary context. So it's a consolidated for our HO, including all the departments, all the subsidiaries also. So you can take the subsidiary hierarchy. It will show the different subsidiaries in the separate column wise. Like this: US1, US2, America HO, total and total. So 3 subsidiaries there including HO, which was showing like this. So it's easy to get the consolidated report. If income statement, go to the dashboard. Now check the navigation portlet, go to the balance sheet. So you also see the balance sheet, current data. Click on balance sheet. So the balance sheet is showing like this: cash, current account, asset, other liabilities, total bank. So this balance sheet is showing completely here. You can also change the subsidiary as per contents. We can also take this in the graph wise. So balance sheet shows like in the graph, which including top 10. You can increase like in 50, 20, whatever you top 5. So this the balance sheet can be export through this graph also. So it can be also taken in the Excel by clicking on the Excel. So the balance sheet is exported into Excel. Easy. It's too easy to get consolidated report in a single click. Just click on home. Now we view the trial balance. I click on trial balance. So this trial balance is showing like this. It also can get the consolidated trial balance through the report, and you can get by the in quarterly, yearly, last year, as per you want. Comparison also is very easy with that, and you just click some other subsidiary and click refresh. The data will be displayed as per the subsidiary or consolidated as per the requirement. So yes, it shows like this: operating account and cash, drawers, inventory, all accounts are displaying the insurance expenses. Okay, so you can also view the AP aging report from the navigation portlet. Just click on the AP aging summary. So when we click that, yes, this is the opening and balance and current account payable aging summary. So this summary shows you the live data of the report of aging. So this is the vendor aging, where we see all the vendors are there. It's so easy. The aging option is also available. You can set up from here what date, time, intervals, age from and to, due date. By transaction wise also, you can transaction date wise also you will get the aging report. no need to create any custom report for aging. So it's a very nice feature in the NetSuite. You can also customize if required, use some different from the existing standard report. There is a report builder. From this builder you can create your own report as you like. So the income statement, you can see income statement, cash flow, its unrealized exchange rate, many more things are there to accounting period. We just go to the accounting period, click. So manage accounting period is main thing of financials, which controls the data entry or any transactions master data by the financial year. See all the transaction AP, AR wise, GL wise, you can restrict the transaction through these level: account payable, account receivable, and general ledger wise. So period close is checked, means that period has been closed. So basically these periods are open, that is 2017, and last is December. This is current month which we are working is open. Next month is not open, that is January 19. So if this setup full, and we just click on this search and we just go to open if the period is closed. So period end close is very simple in the NetSuite, which can be do by the finance manager or person very easily. Now we see that chart of account. So basically chart of account, it's where the GL list of GL are comes under the chart of account. We see just get a single report by clicking on chart of account. So we can create a new account from here like this. Click on new. So this is basically the GL creation, nothing but account creation. So you can also create a sub account or main account. If you select sub account, it will create under the main account. So the account related to GL or inventory or elimination intercompany transactions, you give the restriction and authorization from the GL master data. Restricted to department. Suppose you want to the one GL to the particular department, so that department is only use that account. Nobody can other than the department cannot be used. So you can restrict here, and you also can select the different subsidiary, like in which subsidiary you want to create that account, for which subsidiary, and here the account type. Suppose it's a asset account, depreciation account, write-off, disposal, so many types of account type. And this is the account receivable other. This is also the account type, which shows the income, expenses, cost of goods sold, the different types of the category of the account type. And you select here currencies. Currencies is also you can set as account wise. Okay, so this is basic part of the account creation. So leave that and just go to the department. So department is nothing but profit center. Sorry, department is nothing but cost center. These are the cost center. We assume that this is the cost center of accounting department, admin, assembly, internal department, marketing department. Many types of department are there. We also can create in the new, by clicking on new department, we also going to create a new department, or we see the report in the customized view. It's too easy from here, no need to do any configuration. So their classes, location classes is nothing but profit center, and location is a business area. So business area, you can see that we can restrict from the business area. Suppose one account is created and restrict to the particular location or particular subsidiary, we can restrict them. So it's very easy to configure. So subsidiaries, go to the subsidiaries. Now I show you the subsidiaries type, how the subsidiary works. Yes, so this is the hierarchy of our current system. That subsidy shows HQ, headquarter, America, North America, under North America, Canada and US, under US, US1, US2. So these are the subsidiaries under the subsidiaries. So if by clicking new subsidiary you can create a new, or you can create sub subsidiaries from here only, not at all. Okay, now come to the budgeting part. So financial report, so come to the navigation of budget tree, which shows you the budget part like this, banking and budget. Yes, so here we can click on budget and it shows how the budget you can give to the particular department or chart of account. So this, click on new budget. I just show you how to distribute the budget to the month wise, year wise, to the particular department. Suppose this account is sales, so these are the accounts for which we going to assign a budget. Suppose this is a purchase department, it's a sales department, so we just given a budget like 10,000, and when you click on distribute, it will distribute to all other month. Just select on apply and distribute. Yes, see how it divided by 12 equal months. So it's a very good feature which shown here. See, up to December, so total 99,000 is budget. So 1 lakh is distributed to the different month in equally by clicking on distribute. So it's very easy to distribute the budget. So you can override also, you can give the budget category as a legacy, local, whatever you select, you can select from drop down. So come to the navigation portlet. Here we show so here is accounting period. Again go to accounting period. So here we see that all financial years are available. Current financial year is this. So as we look, you can open all, or you just open AR, you just open for GL, or open for all, or include. To open, you just click on new only, new quarterly, base period. These types of area you can open the posting period and close. Okay, so allocation schedule, this is allocation. Click on allocation. So allocation schedule is nothing but that frequency of the budget which we allocated to the particular area from the department. Just go to edit either it is monthly, yearly, end of the period, quarterly, whatever we set, it works like that. See, so it shows that it's a US retail advertisement store. Dynamic allocation mode is a dynamic. You can also fix. Just go to on. So here you can also select currency exchange rate. So this is the currency exchange rate. For which source currency we want to set the rate, you can just click edit, or you just click on new, give the currency and the effective date and rate. So exchange rate can be maintained through this screen by clicking on new, and after creation just click refresh, it will reflect to the whole system. So it can be done through the subsidiary also, for particular subsidiary. From here you can also create journal entries. So journal, go to the journal entries. This is a new transaction can be opened as a shortcut created to the navigation portlet. So from here we can also create a journal entry. So journal entry including the for which subsidiary you are going to create that journal, you can select from the drop down. Okay, so this is a journal entry screen. Journal entry is a primary or different forms. If you change the form, the view will be changed as per your requirement. So basically it was by default as a primary journal. You can take the account for which account you are going to debit, again take the account for the credit. So two accounts here we can take and select, and we put the amount classes, and we adjust the balances through this journal entry. Now see, we go to the bank reconciliation. We just go the bank reconciliation. So here bank reconcile. So just click on bank reconcile. So bank reconciliation is the statement. You can see the bank reconciliation statement through this transaction. So this is a reconcile bank statement which showing is below. We can tag all the transactions done through the bank, and we can match. You can also export this data in Excel or CSV format. So start date, statement date, whatever you want. So ending statement balance you put here. So this is all the fields are available to maintain the bank reconciliation statement. So now we go for as an administrator role to show you the so now select as administrator role. To view the VAT and GST, the tax report international. So just drop down. Yes, so navigation portlet. It takes time to open, as some dashboard was. Yes, it's open. So from here we also see the current global recent records, subsidiaries, user management, customizations. manage roles. So administrator roles and administrator dashboard is like this. So on reporting part, like we just click on report and go to the VAT and GST. So yes, see that VAT and GST. So GST on purchase, we can also see the GST on purchase, a customized report or detailed report, or just click on GST on purchase, GST on sales. So basically you have to select the data from and to. So you just select from April 2016 and just refresh. So from April 2016, oh, so the data is not available in April, so we select from the starting 13 to till now. Okay, so actually the data is from January so click on report and we can see the different types of reports. You just click on VAT GST. Yes, so tax report should be tax internationally, summary, sales by purchase by tax code, sales by tax code. So very different criteria, which is also you can customize the report as per your requirement, and you can able to submit the taxes online also. Document form is already prepared for this. So AP aging report, sale tax report, you can also see the sale tax report from here. So sale tax report is for like this, for 1 month. You can change the period from the January 12 2017 to 2018. So we will get the summarized report on sale tax here. So this report can also generate as per the requirement and consolidated from the subsidiaries like US1, US2. If you select US2, refresh, you will get the live data for US2 subsidiary. Okay, so the data is not available in the current date range unless it will display. Okay, I think it was completed. Thank you everyone.